Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Engine Knock Sensor Wire Harness. This engine knock sensor wire harness is for various GM cars and trucks equipped with either the 4.8 liter, 5.3 liter, or 6.0 liter V8 engine. A few vehicles that come with these engines include the Cadillac Escalade, Chevy Camaro or Corvette, Silverado or Sierra 1500, 2500, and 3500, Yukon or Suburban, and many more cars and trucks. Years do vary and range from 1999 to 2007, so please contact us to confirm if this fits your GM V8 engine or review the full list below. What your engine knock sensor wire harness does is it connects to the knock sensors located on your engine, and it receives signals from both. These signals are then shared with your vehicle's ECU to determine if there is any pre-ignition or detonation, two things that are potentially damaging to your engine. Then, the ECU can automatically adjust ignition timing and properly monitor your engine's performance. This part is recommended if you are replacing the knock sensors due to either poor engine timing or an associated check engine light, either of which can actually be caused by their original wire harness being damaged by heat over time. This specific engine knock sensor wire harness has been designed to provide an OEM fit thanks to the factory style connectors, high temperature wires to resist cracking, melting, and chafing, plus brand new dust caps that fit securely into the engine block. Installation of this can be a bit difficult as the head of your V8 engine needs to be completely removed, but the design of this part allows for plug-and-play fitment right on top of your engine. If you have any questions about this engine knock sensor wire harness, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.